Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, Exceptional faculty and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified 𝗏𝗏𝗏.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in class, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and SAM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified 𝗏𝗏𝗏.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in class, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at the NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CMA.
Are you ready to celebrate brilliance, passion, and perseverance today? Mahina. Okay, dahil dyan, let me ask all awardees to please stand up. Okay, all awardees, please stand up po. Okay, don't worry, this is just quick. Okay, I'll repeat the question, but instead of just saying yes, this will be your response. Yes, I'm ready to shine. Can you do that for us? And you have to say it proud and loud, okay? Ready? Good afternoon, NCF community. Are you ready to celebrate brilliance, passion, and perseverance today? Ulit, kulang yung energy. Yes, I'm ready to shine. Yan po yung sasabihin ninyo. Ulit for the last round. Good afternoon, NCF community. Are you ready to celebrate brilliance, passion, and perseverance today? That's the spirit. Wonderful. You may now take your seats. To our respected leaders, distinguished guests, dedicated educators, proud parents, and of course to all our awardees, a pleasant and empowering day to each one of us. We know that you are all excited because today is the day of honor, a day of pride, and above all, a celebration of excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the much-awaited President's in Dean's List awarding ceremony for the first and second semesters of academic year 2023 and 2024, a momentous event where we shine the spotlight on our brilliant, hardworking, and ever-dedicated students who have gone above and beyond in their academic journey. But before we begin, let us take a moment to acknowledge the presence of our esteemed leaders, the pillars of wisdom and inspiration in our institutions. Join me as we welcome them with a warm round of applause. Okay, it is our distinct honor to acknowledge the presence of our Executive Vice President, whose leadership continues to inspire excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our highly respected Executive Vice President, Dr. 𝗣𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗍. We also have with us the respected leaders of colleges who shape future professionals. Let's begin from the Dean of College of Arts and Sciences, Dr. Fausto C. Romero. The Dean of College of Engineering, Dr. Moncito G. Elorde. A round of applause, please. The Dean of College of Computer Studies, Dr. Ana Loretta C. Romulo. And of course, the Dean of College and Accountancy, Ms. Lawrence Aster B. Pereira. And on behalf of the Dean of College of Health and Sciences, we have Ms. Teresita Dical, the Program Coordinator. And also, we have with us the Administrator of Student Records. We have our Registrar, Ms. Rhea V. Agregado. And of course, we also have with us our guest speaker, Mr. Rainer Adrian B. Tonyo. Okay, on behalf of the College of Criminal Justice Education, we have Mr. Edison Sola. To formally begin our program, let us offer this moment in reverence and gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. Please all rise for the doxology to be led by the talented members of the NCF Center for Arts and Culture. Please remain standing for the singing of the national anthem and the NCF hymn.
The flowers and the rain, I see between the lines of a sweet refrain. I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you. Even when I'm lonely and in pain, I see you in the beauty of the stars at night. I see you in my life, I feel alright. I see you, Lord, in the beauty of the blessed, my Lord, I can see you in the smile of a baby, sweet and true. I can see you in the eyes of my very best friends. I see you in these bonds, just like your love that never ends. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you with the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray. I see you, Lord.
Please remain standing for the singing of the national anthem and the NCF hymn. You may now take your seats. Thank you. Good afternoon once again to our respected leaders, distinguished guests, and to all faculty members and staff, and to all our awardees. Welcome to this special celebration honoring our outstanding presidents, listers, and deans listers. Today, we recognize not just academic excellence, but the power of dedication, resilience, and vision. With the theme, Changing the Game for a Sustainable Tomorrow, we celebrate students who are not only achieving greatness today, but are also shaping a future that is smarter, greener, and more inclusive. Congratulations to all our awardees. Your success inspires us all to aim higher and dream bigger. Let's celebrate excellence with purpose. And now we are privileged to be inspired by the words of a true leader. Let us lend our ears and hearts to a message from our Executive Vice President, Dr. 𝗍𝗍. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to our esteemed guest speaker. We are very happy to have you here after a couple of years. We have our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Maniquis. We have our Registrar, Mrs. Rhea Agregado, then the deans and representatives of the colleges. We have there Dr. Fausto Romero. He owns Siruma. He owns Siruma. Engineer Monsilarde. He is about to own Boracay. We have soon-to-be doctor. In June, we will have a Dr. Ana Romulo of the College of Computer Studies. Yes. And of course, we have the Dean of the College of Finance and Accountancy, and at the same time, the resilient chairperson of the awarding ceremonies. I believe she has been chairperson for 100 years now. Then the representatives of the College, the representative of the College of Health Sciences, its coordinator, program coordinator, Mrs. Now I have forgotten. Yes, Mrs. Tess Decal and Dr. Sola of the College of Criminal Justice Education. This morning I was able to give them so fluently, but now I'm faltering, a sign of old age. I would like also to acknowledge the parents, loved ones, significant others of our awardees. They are there. I'm reminded of my late parents who never failed to be around when there were activities like this. Oftentimes, parents are more excited than you yourselves. I remember when I graduated, my father had a new Americana and a new Barong Tagalog sewn, so he would have a change of costume, while I only had one. This is a testimony to how happy our parents are when we are called to our schools for our recognition activities. Shall we give them a big round of applause? They're there. This afternoon, we are here because we are celebrating not just each one of you as an individual, as an awardee, but we are celebrating a journey of dedication and passion. You, our PLDL awardees, had been working hard, and this hard work and commitment have earned you this well-earned recognition. The award you will be receiving is a testament to your unwavering pursuit of excellence, and it's a privilege of each one of us to witness your success. To you, our exceptional students, being recognized today at this PLDL awarding, your commitment to learning and achieving excellence is truly inspiring. And it is our hope, it is our wish that you continue this hard work and dedication so you could sustain your success until you go to your respective careers. We have been talking of excellence. We have been talking of commitment. So what does this really mean, being excellent? When you talk of excellence, you talk of being exceptionally good at something. You are here because you have proven that you are exceptionally good in your studies. But being exceptionally good means being also exceptionally good when it comes to character. So this is one thing that you should be able to sustain together with your skills. So excellence, remember, fosters personal growth, builds confidence, and helps you and your school and the organization you will find yourselves in later on achieve success. So your commitment to excellence means consistently striving for high standards and continuous improvement in all your endeavors. It involves setting high personal goals, dedicating yourselves to reaching the sun, reaching your goals, and embracing a growth mindset. So this dedication requires discipline, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. I know you have exhibited these to a great extent, but to be able to sustain your success, you should continue exhibiting all of these, improving on them. And when you do so, never forget to look back and to be grateful to the people and to the things, to the structures, to the organizations like the Naga College Foundation, who and which have been with you all the time. So congratulations, our dear PLDL awardees.
Thank you, ma'am, for that empowering message. Thank you for reminding us that academic success is not just celebrated, but it is nurtured through vision, dedication, and leadership. At this juncture, to share words of wisdom and inspiration, we are honored to welcome a proud NCF alumnus whose dedication and excellence have brought pride not just to our institution, but to the entire nation. He ranked national second placer in the July 2024 Criminologist Licensure examination, a true testament of hard work and purpose. Let's give a warm round of applause with pride to Mr. Rainier Adrian B. Tonyo.
Good afternoon, awardees. Parang hindi pa kumain na. Once again, good afternoon, awardees. Okay, so I have my script dito. So, maikli lang naman siya. Ayoko naman kayo ma-bored. Okay, before that I start my speech, I would like to greet our important person here. Good afternoon to our honored guests, especially to the President of Naga College Foundation, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, to the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Nora Elizabeth M. Maniquis, ma'am, to the Executive Vice President for External Linkages, Dr. Aida P. Osea, ma'am, to the Registrar of Institution, Ms. Rhea B. Agregado, to the Chairman of this momentous event and Dean of the College of Accountancy and Finance, Ms. Lawrence 𝗓𝗏𝗄𝗏. Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me as your guest speaker. To the Assistant Vice President for Tertiary Education and Dean College of Criminal Justice Education, Dr. Marilyn F. Valares, who are presented by the Program Chair of College of Criminal Justice Education Graduate Studies, Dr. Edison C. Sola, sir, and other respected deans and faculty who are present here. Good afternoon, ma'am and sirs. And our shining champions today, the President Listers and Deans Listers. Once again, marahay na hapon sa indo, kabos. Okay? Before I start my speech, let me ask you some important 3 questions. First, have you ever told you're not enough, yet still choose to rise? And second, have you ever watched others race ahead of you while you stayed behind, not because you lacked the will, but because you lack the means? And most importantly, have you ever turned pain into purpose and setbacks into stepping stones? If yes, you're not alone. Today, I speak not as a guest speaker, but someone who once sat where you are. But to be honest with you, I never thought I'd be standing here in front of honorees as a speaker. You see me, I came from a normal family, not with abundant wealth, not with overflowing opportunities, but with abundant love, grit, and mindset of kakayanin basta magsibag. We were the type of family who didn't always have extras, but always made enough to survive. I studied at Naga College Foundation, and during my college days, I also became a Dean's Listers. It was one of the most proudest moments of my life. But when graduation came, I didn't earn a Latin honor. It stung a bit, but I kept moving. Later on, I watched some of my batchmates take their board exam right away. And honestly, I felt a bit jealous. Not because I wished them failure, but because I also wanted to be there. But life had different plans for me. I didn't have the luxury to sit and wait for things to happen. I had to work. I found myself behind the counter of a fast food chain, holding a degree, but also holding trays. And you know what? I did it proudly. Because my future was worth more than my pride. While I fleet orders, wiped tables, and saved every peso, I kept a silent promise. Someday, I'll pass the Criminologist Licensure exam, and not just pass, I'll top it. Not because I needed a medal or a cash incentives, but because it will be my way of paying back my parents who gave up so much so I could study. Then came the moments of preparation. Every day was a battle between belief and doubt. Am I good enough? Do I belong in the same arena as others who have more advantages? There were nights I cried. I nearly gave up. But in my lowest moments, I turned to the one who never doubted me, si God. I surrendered my worries to Him, and I said, Lord, I don't know if I will be a top-notcher. I just want to make it through. So when the result came out and I saw my name on the list, not just there, but the very top, rank 2 in the Criminologist Licensure examination last July, August 2024. I was speechless and cried. I didn't expect it, but I had prepared for it well out my heart. The lesson is, it's better to be delayed than never. So all the presidents and dean's listers in this squad, you are the proof that success is not reserved for the rich, the privileged, or the perfect. It is for those who fight, those who rise, and those never stop believing. But today, as we honor your achievements, okay, let's look ahead. So what does all this have to do with changing the game for a sustainable tomorrow? It's everything. Because sustainability isn't just about the environment or economy. It's about legacy we leave behind. And the real game changers, they are not just the ones with medals or awards. They are the ones who keep going despite fear, the ones who lift others as they rise, the ones who turn their pain into purpose, the ones who use their education not just to believe a career, but to build a better tomorrow. Today, your names are on those lists, and that is a big deal. But let me tell you, the real challenge begins after this recognition. Will you stay in your comfort zone, or will you take risks to change the game? Will you chase your personal success, or you will use your excellence to serve others? Will you settle for being great, or will you strive to become impactful? Game changers aren't just dreamers. They doers, mentors, innovators. They create solutions, lift others, and leave systems bit better than they found them. Think of sustainable change not as something you wait for, but something you lead. So our honorees, you are already changing the game. But now, it's time to be beyond yourself. It's time to imagine a sustainable tomorrow, where your success is not just a title, but a tool to uplift others. You are not here by accident. Your hard work, your sacrifices, your faith brought you here. Kaya pwede bang palakpakan ninyo ang iyong mga sarili? Okay? You deserve that applause. As I close, I want to remind each of you, your journey has just begun. You are not just tomorrow's professionals. You are tomorrow's leaders, change makers, and hope bringers. And if someone like me wants a fast food crew, a dean's listers without Latin honor, can stand here and say, I made it, then so can you. Don't fear the delays, don't fear the detours, because sometimes those are where the miracles happen. Let us continue to change the game, not for our own glory, but for our future that is better, brighter, and built on hope. Let me leave this to you. Real success isn't just reaching the top. It's turning around and helping someone else climb. Again, congratulations, game changers. The world and our country is waiting for you. Thank you, and may God bless you always.
Thank you so much, Sir Rainier, for that lifting and inspiring message. And thank you for reminding us that dreams backed up by determination and discipline truly leads to greatness. At this juncture, we'll be awarding a certificate and a token of appreciation to our guest speaker, Mr. Rainier Adrian B. Tonyo. May I call the academic leaders to assist in the awarding of the certificates. May I read a citation? Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to Mr. Rainier Adrian B. Tonyo as a guest speaker during the President's and Dean's List awarding ceremony of the Naga College Foundation Incorporated. His inspiring words, insightful perspectives, and dedication to excellence have greatly enriched the event and left a lasting impact on all the awardees. Given the 16th day of May 2025 at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Naga City. Signed by Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, President. Let's give a warm round of applause again to our guest speaker, Mr. Rainier Adrian B. Tonyo. Up next, with those uplifting words, we now move forward to the heartbeat of today's ceremony. The moment we all been waiting for, the awarding of President's and Dean's Lister. As each name is called, remember this is not just about certificates or medals, but this is about courage, late nights, early mornings, and the spirit of never giving up. Okay, let's start the awarding proper from the College of Accountancy and Finance. Leading this awarding is their highly respected Dean, Ms. Lawrence Aster B. Pereira. Okay, let's now hear the roster of achievers to be read by Mr. Divino M. Chan.
Hello, good afternoon. May I present to you the President's Listers and Dean's Listers from the College of Accountancy and Finance. Beginning with Divine Angel Abion, Christian Daniel Balingkit, Kathleen Faith Baliwag, Angel Ann Miranda, Honey Len Moratalia, Nicole Nicolas, Anthony Pajarillo, Jamila Papandayan, Bernadette Portilla, Jonathan Dave Ramirez, Tondi Rimoquillo, Sara San Andres, April Christy Toribio, Abigail Villano, Nancy Ruth Ababa, Akisha Daniel Abad, James Abad, Jamaila Marie Abanya, Josal Abasola, Gemaline Abayon, Jennifer Abayon, Rima Ables, Russell Gay Abregante, Leia Caril Abrera, Ezra May Abrillo, Christine Adan, Erica Jean Agagad, Abir Agawa, Kayla Agna, Maria Paz Agripa, Jovi May Agtuga, Trixie Agubang, Kim Linder Ailes, Christron Jean Paul Alamer, Jasmine Alamer, Veronica Alano, Ruby Marie Alayan, Kristen May Albert, Mabel Albo, Micaela Albo, Eliza May Alcantara, Emmanuel Aaron Alcantara, Yvette Alcayaga, Carl Daniel Alegre, Rhea Joy Alegre, Bianca Marie Alipar, Rona Almazar, Marian Almosera, Melita Alog, John Lester Alpaño, Loret Alvero, Daniela Anasin, Julian Andes, Kyla May Antonio, Mary France Antonio, Neil Angelo Antonio, Razel Ann Ansano, Vinos Apa, Kathleen John Apin, Charlene Aranya, Christopher Arcalas, Andrea May Areliaga, Eloisa Arevalo, Danny Rose Ariola, Erica Faye Asa, Patricia Asico, Maria Aldia Asis, Titus Val Aspe, Charity Atag, Erica May Atcheco, Sean Christian Atiliano, Kathleen Aurelia, Eliza Camille Austria, Alwena Avenito, Joanne Averilia, Eliza Avila, Ian Anthony Avila, Shannon Dorothy Azanyes, Trigger Azanyes, April Jane Azur, Mark Aljon Badiola, Rosane Ann Baisa, Christine Bagadyong, Kaylin Angela Balbuena, Krisha Ann Baldonado, Carmela Paloloy, Kim Razel Baltazar, Jessica Shane Banaay, Christine May Banyares, Emmy Claudette Bandelaria, Jero Panzuela, Sheila Parayuga, Zerily Jean Barbosa, Hanilet Barcela, Maria Nessa Parogo, Sila May Barquilla, Ashley Barrientos, Angie Batangoso, Catherine Bausa, Joshua Betsaida, May Bequino, Stephanie May Begonia, Erica May Belen, Honey Jane Belen, Mary Joy Bello, Joanna Marie Benito, Maylene Benosa, Maylene Joy Berin, Janine Bermas, Paulo Bernas, Ira Bea Betty, Eunice Kayla Bien, Ryan Picata, Richard Pilo, Jean Claudette Pinarao, Sofia Blanquera, Christine Bodoy, Antoinette Marie Borbe, Trixie Borbe, Althea Hart Bordas, Daniel Bordeos, Kim Borigas, Amy Moriel Borja, Charlotte Joy Borjal, Richelyn Bornales, John Emel Borromeo, Micaela Borromeo, Kiana Bravo, Leona Villa Briz, Rachel Bronzal, Ivy Marie Buenavente, May Pulawan, Antoinette Cabrera, Maylene Cabusas, Crisel Caldito, Giselle Calipara, Baby Laika Calustre, Gemma Rose Camarote, Angel Grace Candelaria, Angela Candelaria, David Andre Candelaria, Dexter Cañeta Jr., Gwyneth Cañete, Gianna Sofia Cansancio, Mary Ann Joy Cantillo, Reynalyn Cantor, Julia Ann Caparino, Samantha Carayaw, Erica May Carpila, Patrice Ian Carpo, Francine Josh Casida, Jedediah May Casinaw, Maita Castañeda, Maria Drovian Castellano, Jules Asner Castellano, Madeline Celeste, Micaela Sinabre, Francine Colleen Seron, Genevieve Chan, Aljay Boy Chavez, Oliver Antonio Chavez, Veronica Vera Chavez, Bea Chica, Kimberly Rose Conojes, Yuri Corbeto, Andrea Cordero, Andre Joshua Cordova, Mariel Monique Cosa, and Lorraine Crosena, Maven Roldan Cuevas, Macmac Dacuya, Bea Cassandra Daila, Junel Dancalan, Marian Chris Dasal, Nordina Ana Dawis, Catherine Lourdes de Castro, Marvin De Jesus, Luis Ann De Los Santos, Emery de Mesa, 𝗖𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗻 de Vera, Shaira May del Castillo, Michelle del Valle, Kate Catherine de la Torre, Giselle de los Santos, Angela Dionisio, Kathleen May Toliero, Jana Tolor, Morgan Ebonite, Maria Luz Ebuenga, Mario Leo Echipare, Cedric John Edding, Heidi Ann Elopre, Mary Jane Encinas, Precious Aida Ensho, Trisha Endrano, Francis Ann Esplana, Raven Esposa, Christian Adrian Esquejo, April Laika Pajardo, Angel Fernandez, Teresa Jane Fernandez, Hazel Florendo, John Carlo Francisco, Maria Cristina Jimelin Francisco, Mark Anthony Francisco, Brian Francisco, Jonah Frondoso, Baby Jane Galoso, Erica Campol, Andre Justin Garcera, Sharika Gatdula, Christine Marie Gaza, Grace Caril Guenino, Jean Princess Gomez, Hiner Gonzalez, Darlene K. Granadil, Jasmine Guerrero, Sheila May Hernandez, Merly Jane Himantog, Jasmine Homan, Bea Huvit, Kate Bernadette Ilo, Lovell Imperial, Shinen May Jamin, Sherry Ann Harapa, Nichelle Jean Javier, Joshua Jerusalem, Patricia Nicole Gisalba, Aljan Lagatik, Micaela Paula Lamadaro, Laika Langkawon, Michelle Lasangue, Rachel Latonio, Jaisel May Lasado, Princess Libuit, Kevin Lim, Kim Joshua Lim, Everly Shane Llaneta, Irene Yarves, Lovely Lieses, Lara Lorraine Lopez, Mary Rose Luwalhati, Mary Nelisa Luzon, Kurt Hans Mabilin, Carl Marie Macabales, Miriam Joy Makadai, Zanica Macrayo, Noria Sheila Madeja, Alexa Kate Madronio, April Anastasia Madronio, Jenny Madueño, Annie Cole Maywat, Daniel May Mana, Rose Ann Mandane, Danica May Mariano, Rufa May Mariano, Christine Joy Marilag, Ivy Martinez, Jillian Cheyenne Marto, Ira K. Martos, Angela May Martos, Nissan Masangkay, Gemma Rose Mata, Rosemary Matos, Maria Carmel Matriano, Maverick Mediana, Angel Medellano, Marian Verano, Yanila May Mercado, Fabiana Milanay, John Lloyd Milano, Caitlin Grace Millares, Micah Milios, Janelle Miranda, Brianna Sofia Misolas, Irish Catherine Misolas, Jaisel Joy Mojico, Justine Monicado, Jean Paul Montarte, Micaela Monteroso, Shupilin Morana, Ruby Rose Moreno, Josh Ashley Moscoso, Sherry France Nacario, Sherith Nacario, Paula Nashanseno, Princess Napa, Jeline Naz, Romar Clyde Naz, Mika Nazaria, Jordan Nepomuceno, Angeline Nevales, Princess April Nesorada, Ivy Nesorada, Alexandra Muska, Denmark No, Anna Noarin, Mary Adriana Noora, Iris Novia, Risma Obias, Lovely Ocampo, Nicole Oco, Felicity Ojamar, David Edison Olayon, Aquilin May Olea, Laika Olito Kit, Rain Marie Fe Olvido, Juanza Daxen Ordes, Yunila Orolfo, Aurora Osma, Blessy Pabor, Daisy Pahabera, Charmaine Palenzuela, Lara Jane Paliza, Cole Joseph Paloma, Trisha May Paraino, Maria Isabel Barco, Kyle Adrian Parone, Abigail Pastoral, Kathy Pechuela, Rosalinda Pesino, Andre Peleño, Janway Pelos, Ulysses Peñas, Robin Peñaverde, Samantha Nicole Perez, Joshua Perico, Jamie Pessimo, Mary Ann Portilla, Nena Portizo, Michelle Posis, Princess Anne Pron, Shaina May Publico, Sherilyn Quitoles, Shaira Rakadag, Angeline Raid, Rima Ramirez, Jimuel Ramos, Nino Philip, Laika Jean Riano, Mary Natalie Vicentes, Erica Redillas, Bianca Bernadette, Rodeline Refugio, Eliza Luigi Regidor, Neddy Regnim, Aris Eugene Recodon, Ashley Relor Casa, Gay Relucano, Joy Resuena, Bea Bianca Rey, Jasmine Rose Reyes, Luani Rica Frente, Catherine Rionda, Emma Jane Rivera, Erlene Jean Rodero, Kim Rodriguez, Nino Rodriguez, Gian Valerie Romano, Ianisha Rumbo, Gledaline Sabinia, Shayna Antoinette Sabinia, Realine Sabordo, Katrina Cecil, Ruth Sagales, Micaela Nicole Samar, Christina Lisbeth San Andres, Ira San Buenaventura, Athena San Joaquin, Vincent San Jose, Jasmine San Juan, Antonino San Lorenzo II, Marilu San Luis, Regila San Pascual, Maria Cindy San Vicente, Babylin Santiago, Elaine Santiago, Joy Sapalaran, Alessandra Sape, Hannah Nicole Sargento, Ivan Luis Sarion, Angelica Sarmiento, Realin Sayat, Jenny Rose Seguera, Rica Senosin, Geraldine Seratore, Christine May Cibulo, Francis J. Cibulo, Rain Cyril Cibulo, Christine Joy Silvestre, Jillian Grace Shokson, Zairiel Soriano, Vanessa Marie Santo Domingo, Elaine Nicole Sulapas, Eman Tabornal, Aramina Talion, Elaine Tambuon, Mark Allen Tan, Jasmine Rose Tapar, Eden Faith Tating, George Ira Tejada, Service Susain Tawagon, Alaysa Tejares, Christine Grace Tesorero, Catherine Joy Tindok, Jana May Tipones, Ana Marie Tizon, Julia Rose Tizon, Nika Tomita, Yesha Dominic, Gia Marie Angel Torregosa, Christina Angela Trillo, Justin Tuwagnon, Jasmine Toscano, Marilyn Tuyan, Cassandra Ubaldo, Jacinth Valiente, Nea Kathleen Vargas, Rosemary Vasquez, April Munet Velasco, Rosalyn May Velasco, Josa May Ventorosa, RJ Vivar, Trisha Marie Vicedo, Christine Fidal, Faith Pidalion, Trisha Villamor, Chardely Joy Villan, Jeneline Villanueva, Therese Anne Villanueva, Richard Nick Villapañe, John Paul Vivero, and Janelle May Yi. And that concludes the President's Listers and Dean's Listers from the College of Accountancy and Finance.
Congratulations once again to all awardees of the College of Accountancy and Finance. Again, let's give them a round of applause. Okay, at this juncture, let us now give the spotlight to the College of Engineering. Leading this awarding is the respected and dynamic Dean, Dr. Moncito G. Elorde. We now invite our key academic leaders to assist in awarding of the certificates. Dr. Moncito G. Elorde, and also would like to invite Dr. Ana Loretta C. Romulo. Let's now hear the roster of achievers from the College of Engineering to be read by Ms. Marian Freya A. Plazo. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Please join me in congratulating from the College of Engineering the students who have earned a place on the President's and Dean's list. Abanes Brandon Joseph O. Aboloyon John Vincent. Agostasa Carl Anthony. Agravante Jerry. Aguirre Francis John. Aguha Mark. Alden J. Lord. Alinday Christian. Andalis Princess. Autentico Ayumi. Author Ruel Bernard. Avancenia Beatriz Angeline. Banico Angeline. Bermundo Leslie. Bien Brian Zedek. Bobares Maria Danica. Bonyon Baby Jin. Cado Arvin J. Calalas Marichu. Cañeza Genesis De Leon. Salatoria Ezra. Cirilio Jerome. Compañero Angel Elise. Custodio Clyde. Dumandan Hannah Francine. Ebuenga Maria Julian. Espirat Justin. Fernandez Micah. Flora Angelica Joyce. Francia Karen. Granadil Vianeza May. Hernandez Hazel. Heroy Jr. Victor. La Madrid Mary France. Lurio John Mar. Marco Christian. Martinez Ron Mart de Mesa. Milia Zaira Michelle. Mimay Joe Mark. Morano Francine Joy. Dario Mark Alan. Natulia Vince Andre. Naval Nico. Derek John Ray. Nieves Kelly Jong. Ohano John Edward. Padro Maritoni. Pailande Christian Jade. Peñales Florence Madeline. Peñero Edlin May. Racelis Edward. Reforma Catherine. Silos John Rich. Talatad John Paul. Tapia Christine, Tating Mark Ray Leo, Villamante Joella, Zafe Russell, Zape Bambi Karil. So congratulations again to all presidents and deans listed from the College of Engineering.
Let's give a big round of applause once again to all awardees of the College of Engineering. A round of applause, please. Okay, now let's pause for a while and be entertained by a delightful performance to be given to us by our students. We have, please welcome, Miss Neki Olivar and Alzon Roscoe. A round of applause, please. Okay, at this juncture, we now proceed to the awarding of certificates to the College of Arts and Sciences. Leading this awarding is our dedicated Dean, Dr. Fausto C. Romero. May we now invite our academic leaders to join us to assist in the awarding of certificates. And also our guest, our Dean of College of Engineering, Dr. Moncito G. Ilarde. Let's now hear the roster of achievers from the College of Arts and Sciences to be read by Gilbert Lumame and Sally De La Paz. A round of applause, please.
Here are the awardees of President's Lister and Dean's Listers in the first and second semester of school year 2023 to 2024 of the College of Arts and Sciences. Alanis Kimberly D. Alcaraz Morissette S. Amaro Wayne T. Angeles Jamaica A. Biko Windy Shane M. Bien Maria Fatima A. Capricho Aya Neil S. Celso Karen May O. Ibarreta Mary Joy P. Lanuzo Mary France L. Polios Ella A. Rosales Esteban C. Savalia Dion A. Sabinorio Christine C. Alcaraz Morissette S. Amaro Wayne T. Antang Lizelle S. Oste Jofet Ryan C. Avila Jillian A. Azur Jobert N. Bacaro Aryan Marie D. Balane John Francis B. Batir Dennis V. Belaje Marian May S. Benitez Rojane A. Biko Kija Venice D. Bien Rosel O. Bolivar Ralph Christian L. Bongat Mika Zaira de la Trinidad. Boral Christine Joy. Briones Christelle Shane G. Cedro Eloisa E. Clemente Alessandra Nicole. Polacito Denise Pauline Angel M. Daohog Isabella C. De Jesus Lovely B. De Leon Elijah Grace C. De la Cruz Bea Lynn P. De La Paz John Evan S. De La Rosa Lawrence A. Dilanco Claudette A. Doblon Jessa S. Ehis Lovely K A. Francisco Ian Lance Kelly R.
Godoy Mary Rose. Gonzalez Christian Jovi. Iglesia Linel. Isip Janelle Luis. Joven Kisha Glenny. Wanaya Rona. Lagrimas Christian J. Lanuza Chris Lear. Lozares Erjon. Lumbang Mary Ardel. Magistrado Nika. Mamasao Jamila Shane. Maniago Juliet. Manaloto Hans Tyrone. Mapa Justin. Marciliana RJT. Nepa Lovely P. Noblesala Nicole Ann P. Nueva Gwyneth May M. Nunez Jeric A. Obias Clarice Nadine. Padayaw Jomar A. Pahalya Cindy B. Panida Princess A. Pantoja Kevin D. Par Alexa May N. Pasyon Janet H. Patricio Kian L. Peña Mark James. Reyes Catherine B. Rivera Mona Lisa Triza P. Rivera Vanessa Rose B. Saldivar Venus N. Salvadora Gwen Cheska A. San Antonio Mariel May D. San Diego Jolina B. Talagtag Dylan Andre V. Tayo Arcel Chris D. Tomo Darex N. Tongko Clint Josh O. And Ibanez Ralph Jane L. This concludes the list of President's Lister and Dean's Lister of first and second semester school year 2023-2024 under the College of Arts and Sciences. Let's give them a round of applause.
Now let's give the spotlight to the College of Computer Studies. Leading this awarding is our highly respected Dean, Dr. Ana Loretta C. Romulo. May we invite Dr. Ana and also Ms. Lawrence 𝗟𝗏𝗄𝗏 to assist in the awarding of the certificates. Now let's hear the Rooster of Achievers from the College of Computer Studies to be read by Miss Junice Ilagan. A round of applause, please.
It is my honor to present the President's Listers and Dean's Listers of the College of Computer Studies for the first and second semester of school year 2023 and 2024. Starting with Lorenzo J. Pantalla. Jeffrey E. Agdoro. Arnel E. Almario Jr. Rex Voltaire A. Arga. Suraymar R. Arroyo. Bastille Liam V. Asansa. Trisha May C. Balmes. Stefan Benedict M. Barcinas. Paulo Ivan Z. Barcinas. Deonil Raven N. Bathan. John Alain D. Bigia. John Nicolai C. Bobis. Joshua P. Bondalo. John Wilbert B. Bothin. Nick Vincent S. Kabungkal. Joseph Marvy M. Calio. John Paul A. Cambiado. Micaela Z. Carranza. Chelsea Nicole N. Cinco. Lawrence M. Collis. Nina Grace B. Diasis. Francine M. De la Torre. Terence Joshua De Vega. Ethan Ezekiel V. Decano. Keeper B. Dilingin. Gino E. Enverga. Alan Jr. Flores. Vince Liray Floresta. Mark Anthony Hebres. Mary Jane Hinayas. Rinalyn Imperial. J. Leonard Inigo. Hazel Gisalva. Kyla Joy and Labay. Mark Jolo A. Lanyada. Delu Amor M. Llamado. Justin John G. Malate. Eruel A. Mazo. Cedric O. Mendaro. Janeline Miraflor. John Kenneth B. Molata. Jerome Ford G. Moreno. Christian Win Mortega. Reggie C. Namora. Hazel Ann R. Naval. Cyril John Navarro. Marvin R. Nobela. Ray Lawrence Nodado. Mark Angelo Notado. Domingo M. Notario. Angela Dayan Nukum. Mark Alan Ofemaria. Irvan Raven Oliveira. John Pado. Francis Rian V. Padua. MJ Stephanie A. Palo. Olsen Russell A. Paraiso. Mark Leonil Pardinas. Al Joseph Paz. Vincent S. Perez. Blessy Lane O. Princesa. Shane Carl R. Roblas. Brixon Romero. Micaela Vera G. Rosero. Sheena A. Salcedo. Her San Anthony P. San Agustin. Roger San Benaventura. Janine San Jose. Mikaya Philip M. San Miguel. Kimberly Santiago. John Carlos Sarmiento. John Ray S. Tolosa. Napoleon R. Torres. Frank Jensen P. Totañez. EJ Andre Villamer. Joshua Ivan E. Villanueva. Maria Gracia Juniora de Leon Villanueva. Romer John C. Villanueva. Fevi Maria M. Viñas. Kurt Jason Vita. That's all. Congratulations from College of Computer Studies.
Let's give a big round of applause to all awardees of the College of Computer Studies. A big round of applause po, please. Okay, now let's give the spotlight to the College of Criminal Justice Education. Leading this awarding is their hard-working program chair, Dr. Edison Sola. May we invite our key academic leaders to join us on stage to assist in the awarding of certificate. We would like to invite our guest speaker, Mr. Rainer Andre Antonio. Now let's hear the roster of achievers from the College of Criminal Justice Education to be read by Mr. Rizalde Jose R. Sambo. A round of applause, please.
May I present to you the awardees for the College of Criminal Justice Education, President Lister, Ortenero Culin. Dean's Lister, Abad Yvonne. Abelende Raymar, Abias Gian Luis, Aborot Giselle, Abrantes Crystalline, Abrasado Mark Roy, Adan Estefano, Agnote Tricia May, Agpay Kathleen Carmel, Agravante Aisha Zakia, Agravante Ivan, Agubang Zeni Arabel, Alarte Riz Dainier, Aleta Alexandra Marie, Alforte Cecilia, Alilano Maria Algin, Almejeri Troy, Almendral Christine, Amaro John Anilog, Aranda Erica May, Arroyo Catherine, Asaitono Micaela, Asur Arabella, Avilino Gian Marie, Avila James Rovic, Asada James Edward, Balakyaw Faith, Balid Maria Bianca, Barasi Maria Leonora, Barcela Mark Ian, Barcelona Zarinil Justin, Barila Glench, Barameda Kian, Barakyaw Cassandra, Baricante Monica, Barrios Hans, Basaliote Jamila, Bidiones Rico, Bercasio Neil Gerald, Bertumen Shakira Alexis, Bobares Jonah Hara, Bohol Mark Renyel, Bolano Marvin, Bondokoy Marife, Book Mark Christian, Borja Nicole Kayla, Brabante Sarah Jane, Bragais John Paulo, Brogada Rogelio, Brutas Maria Jasmine, Buela Michelle Barbie, Buena John Lloyd, Buendia Bernadette, Bulalakaw Florence, Cabisirano Maricris, Calyas Maria Lin, Candelaria Josh Uriel, Cantor Romina, Capin Reyame, Carmona Janjan, Carnalia Albeya, Carulio Braven, Casilaw Ian Patrick, Sejero III Severo, Cipriaso Maria Francia, Ciudadano John Lloyd, Contreras Sigi, Contreras Jessa, Correa Janil, Cortez Mariel, Cruz Ricamay, Dakudaw John Cedric, Dadis Aliyah, Danieles John Carlo, De Leon Jomily Angela, Delphine Al, Delphine Lin, Deliosa Emmanuel, De Los Santos Richard, Despuig Mike Vince, Dumalasa Diana Ella, Evo Eugene Christopher, Ibonya Maria Angelica, Ensenada Joshua, Ensenares Maria Marcel, Enriquez Lavey, Erizare Russell, Escalante Josh, Escano Jared, Escano Julius, Espe Ian, Espinosilia Amelin, Esplana Gemalin, Stephanie Jason, Esteva Jan Odric, Estomata Mamerto Antonio, Paurilio Charmil, Flores Nil, Francisco Maria Genit, Garcia Maria Caril, Gurimbao William Albert, Hernandez Grace, Hernandez Froilan James, Hesoro Daniela, Julia Renelin, Julia Zedoni Isabel, Leiros Rizel Laika, Lizardo John Edric, Lizardo Ruth, Lopez Alexandra, Lopez Wilma, Loriaga Joshua, Luna Joshua, Madrona Eric Ace, Magallanes Fatima, Mangyat Noli, Marano David John Will, Marticio Romerico Jr., Martiliana Kyle, Masilag Milone Rose, Matos Kervin Justin, Midyarito Janine, Mendez Eman, Miranda Jamaica, Misolas Jesmond Earl, Misolas Roland Vince Ocampo, Molina Hermie Floyd, Monte Ella Marie, Monteroso Alia, Morillo Clara, Mota Trexie, Molieda Princess Shane, Nipay Luwalhati, Nitor Geraldine, Noora Cleo Marie, Nunez Princess Edeline, Oko Janine, Odiamar Frenchie, Ognita Dave, Olarbe Ivana Zay, Oliver Angelica Marie, Ortega Jr. III Arnold, Ortener Palibino Jonil Belbert, Palmiano K, Paloyo John Nomer, Panisares Ginil, Pardiñas Kayla, Pardiñas Monching, Paz Emil J, Piñales Jody, Piqueras Maria Adriana Bolin, Periales Jody, Perua Merin Jing, Polius Karen Joy, Puluan Janjan, Prado Ed Marie, Kerubin Rochelle Vinis, Kilpio Ian Campbell, Riabad Prexi Gwen, Reforzado Crizil Shi, Rentoy Jasmine Nicole, Ricafrente Rona, Robles Mary Jane, Rodavia Rhea, Rodriguez Joy, Rukid Ian Gabriel, Rosales Casey, Rosero Ariel J, Rubio Judy Lynn, Ruiz Anicel, Sabinia Jerilyn, Salameya Ronald, Salazar Rollins, Salcedo Gian Mayo, Saliot Erica Rose, Saludes Julius, Salvador Nicole, San Antonio Renz, San Juan Perlin, Sarto Christian Brian, Sirado Aaron, Sirado Emmanuel Ramos, Sevilla Dayan Casim, San Jose Aaron James, Sevilla Maria Luisa Geraldine, Soreta Adrian, Soriano Maribet, Santa Rosa Riey Alexandra, Tamon Mary Shelley, Timones John Lee J, Tena Justins, Tique Lance Frenzy, Tut Jerome, Vasquez Ray Jan, Velez Bea, Verdadero Noelma, Villaranda Kim Shaira, Zamora Shaina Hill Buendia. And that concludes the list of awardees for the College of Criminal Justice Education.
Congratulations once again to all awardees from the College of Criminal Justice Education. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Okay, now let's give the spotlight to the College of Health and Sciences. Leading this awarding is their dedicated program coordinator. We have Mr. Sita Decal. Let's hear the Rooster of Achievers to be read by Dr. Judith B. Carino.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am pleased to announce the list of President's Listers and Dean's Listers of the College of Health Sciences, first and second semester 2023-2024. The following students have secured their place on the President's list, a testament to their hard work and commitment to academic distinction. Jack Ivan I. Antonio, B.S. Biology. John Romel A. Caballo, B.S. Biology. Katrina C. Eliana, B.S. Biology. Simon R. Marcaida, B.S. Biology. Next, we honor the Dean's Lister students who have shown unwavering commitment to their studies, overcoming every challenge with determination and grace. You have proven that with hard work, excellence is within reach. Dean's Listers: Jeneline J. Abad, B.S. Medical Technology. Eliza M. Abias, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Luigi A. Abion, B.S. Biology. Andre B. Abragan, B.S. Nursing. Anilu N. Abraham, B.S. Nursing. Jovelyn O. Agna, B.S. Bio. Angela K. C. Albalate, B.S. Midwifery. Joanna Clarice L. Albos, BS Medical Technology. Luis Albert S. Alcaraz, BS Biology. Lawrence S. Alcaraz, BS Medical Technology. Chinchin N. Amador, BS Nursing. Joshua T. Arlante, BS Nursing. Mary Caitlin de la Soledad Armella, BS Nursing. Eljaira D. Asauro, BS Nursing. Jazel Grace E. Ascanio, BS Nursing. Raven J.C. Acido, BS Nursing. Maribel M. Asis, BS Nursing. Jaysa Marie A. Asoro, BS Nursing. Diana P. Aso, BS Nursing. Jonaline M. Aven, BS Nursing. Giovanni L. Azurias, BS Nursing. Aina S. Baduria, BS Nursing. Yvonne May Balmaceda, BS Nursing. Margaret O. Balondo, BS Biology. Jetros Augustine T. Banaag, BS Nursing. Joel Arubela T. Banaag, BS Nursing. Mary France C. Banyaga, BS Nursing. Crisel D. Banyas, BS Nursing. Bernadette S. Barosa, BS Biology. Jessa May Del Castillo Basagre, BS Nursing. Margaret Dayan B. Bautista, BS Nursing. Kiana V. Bayrante, BS Medical Technology. Iris Marie F. Belmonte, BS Nursing. Athena Helena Joy S. Belza, BS Biology. Pauline E. Belza, BS Biology. Neil Patrick A. Benalia, BS Biology. Angelica M. Bobis, BS Nursing. Angela T. Bolima, BS Nursing. Mickey Rose Boncodin, BS Medical Technology. Sophia Nicole P. Bongyat, BS Nursing. Azilray C. Bravo, BS Medical Technology. Eliza Bianca J. Brusas, BS Medical Technology. April Grace D. Caballero, BS Nursing. Charlene M. Caballero, BS Nursing. Cheska A. Cabuyao, BS Nursing. Aliyah N. Calleja, BS Nursing. Maria Laika R. Kama, BS Nursing. Winston Earl Michael O. Canillo, BS Nursing. Diane J. M. Cantel, BS Nursing. Romelina L. Canton, BS Nursing. Diana Jane R. Caras, BS Nursing. Kyle Charlene D. Cardano, BS Nursing. Adeline V. Castroverde, BS Nursing. Micaela D. Catana, BS Nursing. Donabel C. Salimen, BS Nursing. John Mark M. Salio, BS Nursing. Christine Jean N. Sinabre, BS Nursing. Dominic Rochelle V. Colliantes, BS Nursing. Olympia May G. Cordova, BS Nursing. Alexis Laika R. Cornes, BS Nursing. Elaine Joy A. Core, BS Nursing. Syra O. Daza, BS Nursing. Cherry May P. De Alday, BS Nursing. Christine May P. De Leon, BS Nursing. Francis Ronnie C. De La Cruz, BS Nursing. Annette Joy A. De La Trinidad, BS Nursing. Grace S. De Los Santos, BS Nursing. Mary Antoinette D. De Luna, BS Nursing. Iris Zaira L. Dolor, BS Nursing. Leona May C. Dubas, BS Midwifery. Tricia May A. Dubas, Bachelor BS in Nursing. Maria Samantha Denise A. Duran, BS Nursing. Reggie May C. Fabay, BS Medical Technology. Nelson F. Flora, BS Nursing. Maisel B. Francia, BS Biology. Mariel Faye de los Santos Galicia, BS Nursing. Nelly D. Golpe, BS Nursing. Jeffrey Stephen R. Gonzalez, BS Biology. Jasmine Shane R. Ibon, BS Medical Technology. Lynn Leah G. Icatlo, BS Nursing. Charlene A. Igno, BS Nursing. Joy Ann Mary S. Hardulen, BS Nursing. Nicole Erica B. Junio, BS Medical Technology. Amalia A. Labicasi, BS Nursing. Drizelle Zorine B. Labordo, BS Medical Technology. GL C. Laganson, BS Biology. Rema Pearl and Lagco, BS Nursing. Roland G. Largado, BS Nursing. Brent B. Lasala, BS Medical Technology. Argel R. Laureta, BS Nursing. Valerie Asen Lipa Limshaco, BS Nursing. Sandra Lynn M. Magallon, BS Medical Technology. Jasmine Cristel S. Mahayhay, BS Nursing. Nikaila B. Mancera, BS Nursing. Mervin B. Mapili, BS Nursing. Lori Gail D. Marco, BS Medical Technology. Maricar B. Mauban, BS Nursing. Ruth Adrienne R. Mendez, BS Nursing. Jessa May S. Mendoza, BS Biology. Lorraine Shane S. Mitra, BS Nursing. Sarah May P. Modino, BS in Midwifery. Maria Shelo S. Montañez, BS Medical Technology. Lindsay B. Morano, BS Medical Technology. Michelle Ann M. Nagal, BS Nursing. Shane Antoinette D. Nale, BS Nursing. Erica Joy S. Nepomuceno, BS Nursing. Denver R. Ngao, BS Nursing. Shalene S. Nieva, BS Nursing. Reste Jomer and Lulian, BS Biology. Althea Kate L. Orsini, BS Nursing. Alaysa May A. Orias, BS Nursing. Alea Franzi P. Paa, BS Nursing. Kimberly M. Paawan, BS Nursing. Diane P. Padin, BS Nursing. Rhea M. Padin Villamea, BS Nursing. Andrea S. Paglinawan, BS Nursing. Princess Marie Victoria B. Palaya, BS in Nursing. Eliza V. Paloma, BS in Medical Technology. Michelle May Panagan, BS in Medical Technology. Melissa Brittany S. Panizares, BS Nursing. Mariel C. Parol, BS in Nursing. Mary Roslyn L. Pasco, BS in Nursing. John Michael B. Peña, BS in Nursing. Cassandra A. Pujado, BS in Nursing. Lori Ann B. Quintela, BS in Nursing. James Walter V. Ragrario, BS in Medical Technology. Kyla Mariel G. Ramos, BS in Medical Technology. Wilmore T. Ranyola, BS Biology. Lara Bea T. Ribancos, BS in Nursing. Riza S. Regulacion, BS in Nursing. Catherine Joy B. Riotan, BS in Nursing. Rosemary B. Resentes, BS Biology. Jarvi F. Robianes, BS in Nursing. Celine Kate A. Robio, BS Medical Technology. Joanne Rose D. Rugeria, BS in Nursing. Angelo R. Ruth, BS in Nursing. Catherine P. Sabaupan, BS in Nursing. Kyrene B. Saludar, BS of Nursing. Patricia Grace F. San Lorenzo, BS of Nursing. Cristel O. Sanchez, BS of Nursing. Nicole S. Santiago, BS of Nursing. Stephanie L. Sapalaran, BS Nursing. Maria Cindy B. Shera, BS Medical Technology. Shamel Fee M. Santa Rosa, BS of Midwifery. Claire P. Tenorio, BS Biology. Maria Isabel O. Tesorero, BS of Nursing. Lindell S. Tiborcio, BS Biology. Margaret N. Tocloy, BS Medical Technology. Almer Michael S. Torrecampo, BS of Nursing. Nirain Kylie T. Vargas, BS of Nursing. Lorraine P. Velasco, BS Nursing. Leslie Marie R. Virosa, BS Nursing. Christine Joy B. Vibal, BS Biology. Mary Jewel Santa Rosa Victoria, BS Medical Technology. Gladys C. Vidania, BS Nursing. Jordan R. Villanueva, BS in Nursing. Glyza Claire S. Villarta, BS of Nursing. Ace B. Villaseñor, BS of Nursing. Angel Casmer A. Viñas, BS of Nursing. Luella Marie P. Viri, BS of Nursing. Yesha Kate T. Bisaya, BS of Nursing. Ladies and gentlemen, one last thunderous round of applause to our BSN, BSMT, and BS Bio and BSMCH students. Thank you very much.
Congratulations once again to all our outstanding students from the different colleges. Give yourselves a round of applause, please. A round of applause. Okay, you have made your colleges proud and you are shining examples to your fellow students. But before we proceed, may I ask some students to please take your seats. We are not yet done po. Please. Okay. At this juncture, to keep this celebration lively and engaging, here's a wonderful intermission number brought to us by one of our students. We have Please welcome Miss Norlene Ann M. Dawes. A round of applause for Miss Norlene.
Kay gandang pagmasdan ang iyong mga mata, kumikinang-kinang, di ko maintindihan ang iyong mga tingin, labis ang mga ningning, langit ay bumaba, bumababa palang tala. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig, at kundi kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka. Hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Ikaw lang ang iibigin, at sa iyong paglalambing ako ay nahulog din. Di ko alam kung ano ang gagawin, di ko alam kung saan titingin. Halik sa labi, tingin na natin, di akalain mahuhulog ka sa'kin. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig, at kundi kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka. Hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang
sinta. Thank you po. Thank you for that wonderful performance, Miss Norlin, sorry. That was a great way to lift our spirits. And now, let us hear from our very own student, a student who shares the pride and gratitude of all our awardees. Please welcome a CAS awardee, Miss Jamaica A. Angeles.
To the NCF President, Engineer Mario C. Villanueva, who is not here with us today, Mr. 𝗓𝗄𝗏 the Executive Vice President for Administration, Dr. Ida P. Osea, the Executive Vice President for External Linkages, Dr. Nora Elizabeth F. Maniquez, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Ms. Tina Rose O. Castroverde, Vice President for Administrative and Institutional Affairs, Dr. Sheila B. Bordado, Vice President for Digital Transformation, Ms. Rhea Agregado from our registrar, to the deans of all colleges, professors, instructors, our resource speaker, parents, guardians, friends, awardees, and to everyone I may have failed to mention, a pleasant and meaningful afternoon to all. Last night, around 10 in the evening, I received a message from our ever-supportive dean, Dr. Fausto C. Romero Jr. The message said, "Were you informed that you'll be delivering a speech tomorrow as one with the highest general weighted average, or GWA?" And my reply was, "Good evening, Dean. OMG." I was honestly speechless. At that very moment, I was actually stressing over pending tasks, responsibilities, and other matters. But I guess the Lord truly has His wonderful ways of reminding us not to worry about anything. This afternoon, my dear fellow students, I'll try to keep this short and meaningful because I believe that this moment is not just for me. This is not my moment. Each of us worked hard to be here. Some to earn recognition, some to prove themselves, others to make their families proud, or simply to meet the high standards we've set for ourselves. This afternoon, I want to share the spotlight with you. Today is a celebration of our efforts, the fruit of our labor, the harvest of what we have planted through hard work and perseverance, from the seeds we have watered with our tears. People often ask me what my secret is, how I manage to handle so many things at once. The truth is, I don't always manage everything perfectly. With the responsibilities I carry, there are times I feel overwhelmed. I panic first before I finally get things done. If there is a secret, it's that I've always been in a competition against myself and not with anyone else. And that's the message I want to leave with you today. Let us strive to be better, not better than others, but better than who we were yesterday. It may sound cliche, but becoming the best version of ourselves should always be our goal. Not just for our family, not for others, but for ourselves. Along this journey, we are also deeply grateful to our instructors, mentors, friends, and families, our constant sources of support, encouragement, and inspiration. Lastly, whenever I'm given the opportunity to speak in front of people, I make it a point to share a principle I've tried to live by since I was young. It goes, the most useful asset of a person is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, with ears open to listen and hands willing to help. May we all strive to live by these virtues. As I end this message, I invite everyone to take a moment and say, I am proud of you, self. Can we say it? I am proud of you, self. For the last time, I am proud of you, self. All praises and honor be to God alone. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you, Ms. Jamaica, for that wonderful message. We deeply appreciate your message, and it truly reflects the voice of every awardee here today. Proud, inspired, and ready for more. As we come to the end of today's celebration, we invite a leader who has worked tirelessly to make this event successful. Ladies and gentlemen, the chair of the awarding ceremony and the Dean of College of Accountancy and Finance, Ms. Lawrence Aster B. Pereira, for her closing remarks. A round of applause, please.
As we reach the end of this celebration, I would like to offer my congratulations to all our President's Listers and Dean's Listers. This year's theme, Changing the Game for a Sustainable Tomorrow, invites us to look beyond grades. You are all more than classroom game changers. You are tomorrow's professionals and champions who will contribute to making the world just and sustainable. We are grateful to the parents and guardians for being the strong and silent backs of these achievers. We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to our guest speaker. Thank you for inspiring our champions. Gratitude also to all the persons who worked behind the scenes. And to our beloved students, wear this honor with pride, but also humility and duty. Keep pushing the limits, keep changing the game, and never cease striving for a tomorrow that is not only successful, but champion and sustainable. Maraming salamat and congratulations once again to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for that inspiring message. Again, we would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations to all our presidents and dean's listers. Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili. Well done. Okay. Today, we don't just celebrate achievements, but we celebrate the promise of a brighter future. This is your host, Carla Balbin, saying keep reaching, keep shining, and keep changing the game. Mabuhay ang NCF Achievers! But before that, meron po